So guys, today we are going to discuss about how we can move a file from one place to another place just by keyboard shortcuts. Yes, you heard it right, and we have a keyboard shortcut available for this, but there are similar other options available which you might be aware of, and you might be using those options from last many years. So today I thought to discuss about another keyword shortcut so that you can easily move a file from one place to another using just a keyboard shortcut. Okay, so you must be aware about dragging and dropping, right? So just if in case you are just dragging some files from one place to another place, it will just move that files from one place to another, right? So this is the general scenario of moving one file from one place to another place. But what if in case you want to do the same activity without using right click, and you are just using a keyboard, right? Then in that case, today I'm going to show you how you can use it. So I've just opened a keyboard for your purpose, where you can see what all keys I'm going to press to move a file from one place to another. Okay, so generally to copy a file on Macbook, you need to press Command plus C, right? So Command plus C will copy your file from whatever place. And now if in case you want to paste it directly to some other place, for example, if in case I'm pasting it over here, I will just generally press Command plus V, right? So as you can see, it has pasted a file, but the same file is also available here as well, right? So let's suppose I want to move my first file from this place to this place, and it is a cut and paste thing, not a copy and paste thing. So to move this file from this place, I will again just do the Command C to copy, and during pasting the trick works. So during pasting you need to press Command plus Option and then V. As you can see guys, that particular file has been moved out of this place to this place, right? So only option that have changed is the paste function. So generally we do Command V, so we don't need to do Command V. Now we need to do Command Option and then V. Okay, so this is the trick that I was talking about today in this video. This is a very small and quick video for you. So if in case you liked it, you just let me know, and if in case you know this trick already, just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video. I will be creating many more videos on this. I hope you will like it.